Welcome to yet another session, blog post and management. Okay, this quickly we have this where you can make a post, featured post. You get to know how to add your post as a featured post. This is the rest of the posts with their categories. Their category names are here. If you want to view all post under this category, you have it blog post under this category. I know that. Okay, let's just go back. So how do you get your content onto this page? You just here. Now we'll not be creating any other new category. If you so wish, you can do that. New post category. So we'll be using programming because I'm going to talk about what does a software engineer do. Just a post copied from off your website. So these are already 13 posts. Wow. Alright, look at the categories here. Let me show you published. So these are the status, the categories now that, so you can manage your already existing ones. Alright, let's create a new post. What does a software engineer do? Remember, your slug is always automatic. If you so wish, you can. So you must pick a category. Let's say programming. Now this SEO title is very important. Maybe you want a different title, search engines to hit it. You can change it here. Your cover image. Remember, always have your cover image. So we're gonna use this. Okay, so that I can, let me just use something somewhat similar to this. Okay, that's a cool one. Except it's like a summary. I'm just put this as a summary, not much word. Okay, now the full text, I'm just copying it off page. Then I want to add image here there, so let me just add some few because of time. Few text, add my image, pull an image. Let me go here and pull some image here. Okay, let me just put this one. Remember to always wait for this to upload. Do not delay. Then add your caption. Let's say icons. Alright. Icons. Think we're done. Meta keyword, very important. Meta description. I think I will go with where is it? Search engine should also hit this. This is meta description for SEO featured. I've mentioned that in the page. It's the same thing. Features. Okay, this is where if you want it to appear here, let me just add it. I want it to be featured. Keywords engineering. Programmer. Okay. Allow comments, deactivate, and other status. Here you must add published. If not, it will not appear. Alright, create. Refresh. So you should see it here. Wow. So this is under programming and that's under tutorial and all that. Let's just view it. It's already April. What does a software engineer do and all that? So this is the author 60 seconds ago. And now your users, we're going to talk about this later. Another, you can disable this. Let me even show you. Maybe you don't want users to comment on this. I normally prefer deactivating comment on pages because I mean, why should they be commenting on pages? So for posts, allow comment on pages, you may disallow comment. That's a normal thing. So comment is not available. Auto disabled comments. Or you can decide to do it generally from settings. App settings generally. And decide to do it generally. Where is that? Yes. Users can comment. You see the difference between when an admin deactivates. Okay. You see this will change. Yes. Admin disable comment across app. So this is double display. Oh wow. Alright. I think that'll be off now. Let me enable that before I leave because we'll be needing it for the next session. Yes, let's enable that for now. Let's go enable that. Yes, very swift. Yeah, I'm enjoying this. I hope you are enjoying the whole ride. So yeah, comment is back. All right. Okay, on to the next session. We'll be talking about ratings is only for pages, ratings not for blog. Thank you, see you there.